Hello, good morning. It's drizzling. Yeah, but I'm at the Bird Paradise. This is a brand new place, just opened at the start of this year. It used to be the Jurong Bird Park at Jurong. Now it has shifted all the birds to Mandai. So let's go and see. You need to book the tickets online, and then if you are a Singapore resident, you have extra discount, right? And you need to book a timing to come. If not, I don't know whether they'll let you in or not. Don't block my face. Okay, come, let's go. Here we are after walking 100 meters from the car park. The entrance to Bird Paradise. Yeah, and then they have a history map of the Jurong Bird Park, right? Like I mentioned earlier, for 52 years before you move over here. Hey, there's a orchid waterfall. Tigers hugging the penguin. Penguin Cove. Okay, we are going to the Sky Amphitheater because the show starts at 10:30. We'll go there and chop a seat. Okay, next up, the Penguin Cove. Yeah, just go. Aircon, although it's quite cooling today. Okay, so I think there are 4 types of penguin. Where? You say you saw penguin? Oh, yeah. They're swimming on top. Yeah. Eh? Yeah. Okay, 2 large tank. Very stroller friendly. We are going up. Okay, just now we saw penguins swimming from the bottom, and then we're at the top. And there they go! Woo! Taking a view of the area. One good thing though is like the river cruise, whereby it's sheltered all the way so far. Hopefully it goes sheltered all the way. Hey, after walking for 340 meters, we reached the Sky Amphitheater. FYI, there's a tram over there. It's part of the tickets. It's free. You actually don't need to walk like me. But I walk anyway. Whether it's good though. Let's go. Okay, the 10:30 show is Predators on Wings. It's a Thursday morning. Not many people because everybody is schooling and working. Okay, sorry, I'm walking. Let's find a good place.
Now that's possible is because owls have soft edges and it tickles their feathers, which helps them with air turbulence and reduces noise, making them...
And the colors of their eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. The owls with their color eyes tend to hunt all Europe. Now, unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary, except when they mate and have chicks. And they prefer to feed on the carcass in a smaller group. The owl male right back there has a strong gripping fin with large talons and a good beak, which helps ring around the top line of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
Now these birds have a dagger-like beak and a stern old man face.
But they cooperate and coexist with the vultures, even joining them in their feast. Ladies.
Okay, we are at the Crimson Wetlands with flamingos and a very nice man-made waterfall. Okay, you can see these blue macaws and the rest here close up. Yeah. The green one, the rainbows one up there. Yeah. Hey, we're at the bottom of the waterfall. We're going in. Wow, nice breeze. Woo! Ah, the water splashing in. Wow. Okay, we are at the lorry loft on the bridge, whereby the smaller birds are around. You can hear their sound, but we need to look for them. Those are in the cage. I think I saw some. Aha! Eh? Two of them kissing on video. We are back for round 2, the Wings of the World at 12:30. So it's a different show, but at the same place. So waiting for people to come in. Yeah. I think there are definitely more people than the morning. Yeah.
Okay, so Quincy, before that, let me just turn on the microphone. You want to show them how you do the rooster? Ooh, this rooster whistles. Come, rooster. See, I told you. Okay, I do. Do the cat. There you go. That's the cat. You want to turn around and face the audience instead? Okay. Next sound will be the sound of a ringing telephone. There you go, hello. Guys, we all know his name is Amigo, but guess what? He can say his own name, okay? So everyone listen to this. Can you tell them your name? Amigo! Can we have a little time name? Amigo! Good job, Amigo! Now, Amigo, there's so many of them this morning. How would you like to greet all those nice people? How? He's asking. This song goes out to you. Ready, Amigo? Now, great white hornbills like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia and they are one of the largest crowds in this region. To feed Vicky. So usually the male hornbills will gather all these food and then feed the female and her chicks for about 4 months. Look at that. Wow.
Sitting the free tram ride from the amphitheater to the entrance, and we are glad that we are ahead of this group of people. Let's go. There's a safari music. And of course a gift shop if you want to buy anything back. Okay, so I'm done. On my way out, I think generally it's still a very nice place. It's much smaller than the old Jurong Bird Park, but I think there's quite a lot of sheltered way. But if you were to go inside the different areas where you can have a close experience with the birds, those are not sheltered. But however, before going to each of these areas, there's air condition at the entrance and at the exit, so it really helps keep yourself cool, right? But it's a good place. Good that we have migrated all the birds over here, right? So we have fun. So see ya, bye bye.